welcome to my channel. It's so good to see you today, okay? If you're a first-time viewer or if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more information and videos like this. If you like watching this type of video, if you want me to make more of these videos, please do not forget to subscribe. So on Saturday I went for a colleague's wedding, a friend of mine, realtor Meby. Some of you might know her. Okay, she did her wedding on Saturday and I had to attend. Like, I could not miss it for anything. Okay, so that Saturday I did my get dressed with me video. I had to look the part and all, and I was super excited to attend that wedding. Okay, and in this video I will be showing you literally everything that happened that day, how I spent my day from the wedding to ShopRite, from ShopRite to Roban. Okay, this video is full of how I spent my Saturday as a Nigerian realtor and as a a Nigerian here in Enugu State. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end because it's going to be very exciting. I had a wonderful time. Okay, I had an amazing time. At first it was boring because I thought I was the only one in my office that came to the wedding. I was just sitting on my own at the back, looking around. But later on, the bride and groom came in and everything was super excited. I had to meet some of my colleagues. We took pictures. We had an amazing time. We danced. We had fun, like pure fun. I was super happy and excited for her. And Meby, congratulations, your home is truly blessed. I am super excited and happy that you have gotten to this part of your life. Okay, this is a new journey for you. This is an amazing time for you and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so I was heading to Christ the King, that is CKC. Oh man, it has been very long. I attended the church when we moved from that side and the parish is really growing. There's a lot of changes, that the environment is wonderful. GRA, old GRA especially, is one of the best places for Nigerians in diaspora to move into if they're looking to start their new home here in Enugu State. The nature is amazing. It's very calm, it's serene, it has literally everything. And the church is very beautiful. It's amazing, it's mesmerizing. Like, when I got there, I felt it. Like, I can't explain the feeling. Okay, anyways, that's that. Okay, so this is me making my videos and taking pictures. I came very early and I sat at the back thinking that maybe my colleagues didn't come for the wedding or they would be coming late, so I just sat there and sat close to the food table. I don't know, I just have this thing for let me not even say it out loud, sha. But at first it was very boring because I was the only one sitting down there. I was literally alone. I didn't know most of the people that were there. I didn't know who to talk to. So the wedding kind of took time. The reception, it took time before they started, and they had to serve us food while we were waiting for the bride and the groom. And the fun started when the bride and groom came in. It was super excited. I even danced. Almost like it had been long I danced and I couldn't even move my body the way I used to. But anyway, I tried. It doesn't like me. Anyways, we had fun. We took pictures outside with my colleagues. We danced, we cheered her up, we made sure she had an amazing day. That's what we were there to do. Okay, so we gave gifts and we did all the things that was meant to be done for the wedding, and we made sure they had an amazing time. Okay, I also had an amazing time because, oh my goodness, I really don't know. I think I'm talking too much now. Yes, I'm talking too much. this part was a disaster at first, but thank God nobody got hurt. But the thing is, this is the second time I'm seeing this type of stage, or the third time I'm seeing this type of stage fall, because people will come to that site to dance and mistakenly push it. It's not steady, and I think that wedding decorators should look out for this stuff. Like, it's not safe. What if someone gets injured by this? Luckily, these people were saved. Okay, but next time, I think people that are doing decoration should make sure that their stand is firm and their stand is safe, because people will be gathering around that area to greet the couple, to dance with the couple, and definitely somebody will lean on it or mistakenly push it. Okay, so I don't know. I think this is something that they should work on and something that you should discuss when you're doing your wedding, so that this stuff will not happen again. And I'm very, very happy that they were safe and that nothing happened to them, because it would have been another story altogether. You get? This is one of the best couple I've seen so far this year. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, the energy is 100%, the love, everything. Like, oh my goodness. Like, oh, I go love it. I must find my own love, because everything here is just perfect. The way they act towards each other, the way they dance, the way they smile, everything. The couple is just perfect. Anyways, that was it, Sha. This was how I spent my Saturday. After the whole blast, we took pictures. I couldn't post all of them, and the videos, I couldn't post all of them because of time and space. And anyways, it was one of the best days I've had in September. Yeah, this was memorable, and it's something I wouldn't forget easily. Okay, so after the wedding, I and Meby went to ShopRite to chill off, and I decided to lick some ice cream and do some sightseeing. So instead of just going home straight, why not just completely spend my whole day looking around, trying to catch up on things and seeing how Enugu is. And ShopRite is one of those places you can just go to Enugu for sightseeing. It is open to everybody. You can just go there and sit down. If you don't want to buy anything, you can just go there and look around, depending on what you want to do there. And well, it was refreshing because it had been long I entered ShopRite actually, because of my busy schedule and all. But entering there, I felt like this wasn't bad. If you're the type of person that likes staying in crowded places, ShopRite is one of those places. But if you're a quiet person, you like a me time, you just want to spend time for yourself, don't come to ShopRite. Just look for, there are a lot of eateries in Enugu State that are very calm and refreshing that you can go to. Okay, but ShopRite is for everybody, literally everybody. You can come in here and go out. The noise is too much, kids everywhere. Like, sometimes it's overwhelming, but ShopRite is amazing. You can literally get everything you're looking for here in ShopRite. We actually went to Ntachosa. I didn't make a video of that because my battery was low. But Abby said she wanted to get her food, so we went to Ntachosa to get her food. Then from there, I went to Roban with her because I wanted to buy cake. It had been long I ate cake. And Roban, their bakery is one of the best in Enugu State. It's full, it's worth it, it's budget friendly. Like everything, the meat pie, the cake. Although I'm not a meat pie fan, so I mostly buy cake, burger, sandwich, and it is worth it. Like Roban is the go-to place if you want all this bakery stuff. So we went there to get cake and drink and just to for the night and all.